Hi guys, this is Vicki Skinner, your non-domestic goddess, aka the Sarong goddess, coming at you from Escazú, Costa Rica. And I am going to give you a hint that I learned back in my college days when I was actually selling Tupperware, which was so hilarious since I've always been a non-domestic goddess. But it is, talk about something to save you a lot of time and save your hands from all the stress from it. You do not need to peel these things with a potato peeler. You want to see something so freaking easy? Boil your potatoes, okay? And I'm going to have to put this down, so bear with me because I'm new at doing these things. Same with the beets too. It's the same thing. So bear with me. I'm going to see if this will work. I guess I can't change it. So how am I going to do this? I'm new with this new with using a selfie stick. Okay, so what you need is one of these scrubbers that you use to clean your kitchen sink and such. I always use a fresh one that I use just for this. And you take the beet, okay, that's been boiled, and you just go like that. And look, it comes right, oops, it's a chunk right there, sorry, comes right off, literally. Look, is that awesome or what? Okay, we're going to do that again. Use another big chunk. Again, just literally take your scrubber. Look, I mean, you could even pull it off too, but this way, it literally comes right off. Look at that. That's it. Forgot to get that. Okay, now for potatoes, same thing, same concept. Take your potato with the skin on it and literally just put a little bit of pressure on it, and look, comes right off. Peels off, no stress, no strain on the joints if you have arthritis or something happened to my hand from getting pulled by a dog leash across the street and don't have that grip anymore. Okay, we're going to do these. I can't remember what these are called, but it's kind of like Costa Rica's version of a yam or a sweet potato. Look, barely any pressure, and it just comes right off. Okay. Peels right off. So what kind of hints do you guys have to make your life easier in the kitchen or other areas? Put it down in the comments down below and share it with others. We're all out here to help each other make the world a better place, an easier place, and a more fun place. Again, this is Vicki Skinner, the non-domestic goddess, coming at you today in Escazú, Costa Rica, where I'm pet sitting for Odie and Marlo. Look, so easy. Take care, y'all. Ciao.